Hello everyone, hope you are fine. Today I'm going to highlight on some basic but essential materials and tools for acrylic painting. The materials and tools for acrylic paintings are: number one, acrylic paints. Uh, Start with some essential student quality paints if you are a beginner. Then the second number is of paint brushes. There are a lot of different ranges and all at different prices. But to start with, you'll need two different sized filbert brushes with stiff hairs and a thin detail brush, which are absolutely right for you as a starter, and they will help to build your confidence and skill levels by mastering a few key pieces of equipment rather than fiddling with many. Number 3 is canvas. Stretched canvas is the most popular types of canvas for acrylic painting. It is made of cotton and primed with gesso to create an ideal painting surface, and is the most popular surface for painting with acrylics. Buy that which is already stretched and primed to save time. They come in different sizes and shapes. I'll also upload a separate video on how to stretch canvas. Let's talk about the next important tool, which is number 4, palette knife. Use a palette knife to mix paint colors together on your palette instead of brush. It's specifically made for mixing paint and has a flexible steel blade. Number 5, color palette. It is the surface on which the colors are mixed and is an essential tool in painting with acrylics. You need a moisture retaining palette, which is the best option as the colors dry quickly on wooden palette. Number 6, rag, water jar and soap. To wipe the paintbrush and knife after changing colors, you'll need rags or paper towel on hand. You'll need to consistently dip your paintbrush in a jar of water to keep the bristle moist, as acrylics dry very quickly. It is essential to wash your brushes in soap water after using. Number 7, varnish and acrylic mediums. To add an essential layer of protection and bind the paint to the canvas, you will need varnish in the final stage of your painting. The varnish will protect your painting from dust and UV rays. It comes in gloss, satin or matte finish. The best option is to choose a gloss varnish because the look of a glossy finish is quite lovely and attractive. In the end, it's your own choice. To improve the paint performance, there are different kinds of acrylic mediums which are used for increasing the drying time, making it glossy and thick, and improving the flow. The flow can also be improved by adding water, but this can reduce the intensity of the color. Acrylic mediums are additional products, but they make acrylic paints so versatile. Number 8, an easel. A floor-standing H-frame easel is the best option as it's very sturdy and have a strong base that makes them sturdier than A-frame easels. Also, they can handle bigger canvases. You can have a tabletop too if the shape is limited, or you can create your own masterpiece from a professional.